Welcome to APA Getting Started tutorial. In this video, we will be explaining you how to create a sample CSV file which you can upload on our portal and play around. Let's get started. For this tutorial, let's take an example of car's assembly line. The first column will be date time. Let's take the features as the rotor speed, encoder position, and spot welding temperature. Based on these features, we'll predict whether the machine has been shut down or not. So let's name it as shutdown occurred. Let's fill the columns. For date time, it is necessary that the date time column must be in date timestamp format. For this tutorial, we'll take a sample size of 200 rows. And format it in date timestamp format. Let's fill the rotor speed. We'll take a range between 1500 to 3500 as the rotor speed. We'll take the sine value of the rotor speed as the encoder position. Let's multiply it by 100. Let's fill the spot welding temperature between the range of 500 to 2500. Let's give a condition for the target. Condition is satisfied, then the machine is running, else it is shut down. Let's check a sample of 40 rows. As a test file. So cut from here and paste it in sample file. The sample test file shouldn't be having the target variable. So let's remove it from here. And paste it in a new file and So all three files are ready. That is the sample test true, which has the target variable, sample test, which we will be testing our model on, and the sample train file. Let's save it, download it as comma separated files. Now we are ready to upload the data on our portal and play around. Thank you.